So how to delete your junk file from your Windows 10? For that, first you need to go your C drive, Windows, then software distribution. Here you can find download option and just delete this. No need this file. If system need, then it's download again, so no worry. Again, right button on start menu and go to run. Here you can type temp, temp, continue. They are all junk files, so I just delete all. Again, go to run and type %temp%. I also delete this file. Make sure your location is temp, otherwise important file will be deleted. Okay. Then again go to run and type prefetch. Select all and delete. And also very popular one, type tray and just click OK. And the final one, go to your drive and just click the right button and go to properties. In general, you say disk cleanup. Click disk cleanup and select OK. Again, properties, general, disk cleanup, select what you want to delete, just press OK. Hope it's help you to boost your computer speed. Then delete all recycle bin. So thank you for watching, guys. If it's helpful, please subscribe me and like and comment. Thank you.